Hello and welcome back for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first focus on a chart pattern that I gave you yesterday, which was this double top, where you can see that we have been trying to break through our key area of resistance at around the $0.25885 mark with no success. And as a result of that, we saw the formation of this double top right here. And this is a bearish chart pattern that breaks to the lower side, having the minimum target areas for the breakout being given by the height between the tops and the neckline. And I was able to get that height, placed it below the neckline, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.22327 mark. And that was the minimum that I expected that breakout to the lower side to do. And you can see that yesterday, after losing our neckline, we saw a brief breakout to the area at around the $0.23337 mark, though we didn't quite fully maximize our target area. And afterwards, we have been seeing a bit of a recovery, and there are chances that this breakdown move might still continue. And if we continue seeing lower prices here on the charts, then I'm watching for our next key area of support at around the $0.22695 mark, where we can either find support and get that massive bounce back to the upside, managing to break through our key area of resistance at around the $0.25885 mark, and a break above it, we can expect a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. Alternatively, in case we see a breakdown to that key area of support and maybe at some point we lose it, we can expect a successful retest before we can continue seeing lower prices to our next key area of support at around the $0.2 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures here on the Agix chart, and jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis basing it on the Elliot structures. You can see that after seeing our November lows, down here we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.67 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, fully maximizing our minimum target area highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And since we have managed to get into the minimum retracement area for this second wave, there are high chances that the low for this second wave is in, and Agix is now ready for a massive pump to the upper side in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. And for it to confirm to us that the low for the second wave is in and the start of an impulse has now started, all I need to see on the charts is a 5-wave move on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure. In case we see such a movement on the charts, that will be enough confirmation that the low for the second wave is in and that we have now started an impulsive move to the upside, where I'll be expecting Agix to take us back above the $1 mark. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Continue watching those key areas of supports and resistances. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 55 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, still suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.